guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Davinci Resolve and what feature is how to put text. Yes. Alright, let's head over to edit and let's add a clip, a video that we want to put a text on. Well, it's really simple, and what you need to do first is head to the top left corner of your screen where you will find effects. Yes, effects. Now click on effects, and now you see here on the bottom left is a section where you need to click on titles, and you'll find here text. Now just add it on top of your video. If you want to add it below, then you won't see it. That's how layering works, okay? Don't ask. So just put whatever you want, and if you want to edit it, just double click on that text layer, and you should have all the settings that you need here on the right side part of your screen. Title, you can change what kind of how big it is. Yeah, one drop shadow, add a stroke or whatever, because that was what the title does. And something else is that the setting, which you can find by clicking nowhere. But what setting does is this things here: transform, cropping, composite. Yeah, but since this is a text or like a title video, you'll have two options, which is text and setting. But yeah, that is how you add the text on Davinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye!